Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix could not add card try again later on Apple ID. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to add your card to your Apple Pay or to your Apple Wallet, so let's see how can you fix this issue. So the very first thing, just go back from here and you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection, or you can also try to go to your general. Here, just go to VPN and device management and just try to disconnect with your VPN if you're connected. Then go to software update section and just try to update your software. After updating your software, you have to go back and you have to check for your bank region. So you have to also make sure that the region of your bank or your credit card or your debit card and of your Apple Wallet is same. So after that, you have to restart your iPhone to fix temporary glitches. Now to do this, just quickly press only the volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just leave the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to go to your settings app, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset network settings when the confirmation message pop up. If you reset all of your network settings, if there will be any issue with your iPhone network, it might be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. Or if you still face the same issues, you can go to your App Store, just tap on the profile option at the top right, tap on your Apple ID, and here you have to try to check for your country or region of your Apple ID. So just try to enter your Apple ID password here. So after entering your Apple ID password, just tap on the sign in option. And here just wait for the loading and then tap on country or region. Here you have to see your country or region option. So here, if you might see that your country or region doesn't match, so you just have to try to change your country or region from here, and after that your issue will be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to contact with your card insurer to see or to confirm that this stored Apple ID. So if you're using any card, it might be your Visa card, your credit debit card. So I recommend you have to try to contact with the card insurer and confirm that does this support the Apple Pay. If this supports but you still face the same issues, you have to simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your app store, or you can use the Apple Support web. Select iPhone from here, select more option, look for wallet app here, select wallet, and here just wait for the loading, and then tap on get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to dial, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.